I'm up in the grocery store doing a little shopping this morning, but I just wanted to bring you a little nugget as well while I'm doing my shopping. There are 371 million people in the United States. 75 million have been diagnosed with hypertension. Of those 75 million, 49% are African American. Okay, heart disease is the number one killer in the United States, also known as the silent killer. Hypertension doesn't discriminate. It doesn't matter whether you're African American, you're brown, you're black, you're green, you're yellow, and you're orange. But some of the things that we can do in our daily lives to remedy hypertension, to lower the risks of hypertension in our families and in ourselves, is through diet. Okay, one of the number one causes of hypertension is salt. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. See this right here? Salt. All right, ionized salt, number one killer. We love it. We love it. I used to love it. I had to have everything on the food. But an alternative to the ionized salt is the pink Himalayan salt. All right, it doesn't have it's not ionized, and so it's healthier than the ionized salt if you just have to have salt. Another thing is the vegetable oil, the oils that we cook in. Although, for example, this Crisco I have in this basket right here, Crisco has, and I'm not buying it, I just have it to make a point. But Crisco here says is cholesterol free, 0 grams trans fat, and 1,000 milligrams of ALA omega fatty acids. Fatty acids, okay? But when you look on the back of it, this is what I'm talking about, Crisco, okay? But when I read the back of it, the ingredients is soybean oil. All right, now I just read to you that it cholesterol free, had 1,000 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids, but it's soybean oil. Soy is inflammatory. Inflammation causes disease. All right. So what's an alternative to that? It's coconut oil, which is a medium chain triglyceride. The organic, virgin, unrefined, cold pressed coconut oil has less calories. The ingredients is coconut oil. It's coconut oil. Okay, it doesn't have soy in it or anything else, and it's much better for you. Okay, so just to that's just some tidbits in order to change in your diet. All right, just salt, from ionized salt to pink Himalayan salt, and from Crisco vegetable oil, canola oil, I don't care what kind of oil it is, we're switching it up to organic, unrefined, cold pressed coconut oil. All right, I'm Dr. Watts, coming live from the grocery store, DWO, and the House of Wellness. Have an amazing weekend.